Namaste and hello. Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of August, we're enjoying summer in India. Come along with us. This week we'll be learning the Om meditation using our voice. So the Om meditation is used in India and often in yoga practices. All right, let's break it down and learn it together. So the Om chant that we are going to use actually uses two different sounds. The O sound, O. Can you try that with me? A one, a two, ek, do, teen. O. Good. Notice how our lips make the O shape. O. Great. After the O sound, O, we have the sound. That's right. So from our O shape with our mouth, O, we're going to close our lips around our teeth, but keep a nice wide open space inside of the mouth. Can you try that with me? A one, a two, ek, do, teen. Great. And a trick to help you sing and keep that space in your mouth is actually to raise your eyebrows. It almost feels like you're yawning. All right, so let's see if we can take a nice big breath with our diaphragm. Fill up those lungs, and we'll start with 4 counts of our O sound and then 4 counts of our sound. Ready? A one, a two, ek, do, teen. Om. Great job! Shall we try 8 counts for our O sound and 8 counts for our sound? All right, try it with me. A one, a two, ek, do, teen. Wow, did you make it all the way to the end? Great job, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more Summer in India. Namaste.